This was like 4:30 in the morning, and I slept with the window open and shit. And notice these motherfuckers don't sleep. They don't sleep. I mean, I just think birds get up at certain time, but I just realized it's not the time they get up. These motherfuckers just don't sleep. You hear that shit? Fucking ling. I thought it was cool putting all these sunflowers around my house. Now you hear this shit. Every song, fucking. You want an alarm clock? You want to piss somebody off? Touch it up. Get some wild birds.